Most fraud platforms can show a rule list. The harder buyer question is whether a bank can understand, govern, test, and explain how those rules affect a real-time fraud decision. A regional bank sends one signed banking event into FDE. The engine checks tenant identity, verifies payload integrity, validates the event shape, and reports data quality coverage instead of hiding missing signals. FDE then builds normalized context from user, device, IP, session, transaction, beneficiary, account history, and banking signals. Rules evaluate that context, not a raw customer payload. The rule engine combines built-in rules, banking decision tables, tenant custom rules, shadow rules, lists, and hard controls. A banking rule can return an ID, reason, band, and evidence. A shadow rule can be observed before it changes customer friction. The public response stays in a stable 0-100 risk score domain and maps to buyer-facing dashboard labels: accept, step up, review, and block. Raw internal banking calibration remains internal. Evidence stays attached to the decision: risk labels, banking rule details for banking tenants, caveats, replay context, and audit history. A reviewer can see why a decision happened and what limits affect interpretation. Governance is part of the engine. A policy owner proposes a change, backtest or replay evidence supports the package. A checker reviews current and pending configuration, and the applied change stays auditable and reversible. That is the difference between a static rule pack and a governed fraud decision control plane. The reviewer question is, which evidence should be mandatory before a shadow rule moves toward enforcement?